Classic ride. This tricycle is great for beginner riders. It offers convenience, comfort, and fun. The quiet ride tires provide a smooth ride. Fun for kids. The Red Rider Trike has a covered storage bin so kids can bring their favorite treasures along for every ride, or find new treasures on their adventure. Convenient for parents. With an adult hand grip on the seat back, the Red Rider Trike can easily be transported. Adjustable seat. The adjustable seat allows this tricycle to grow with your toddler from ages 2.5 to 5 years. Specifications. Assembled product dimensions: 26.4 inches L x 19.9 inches W x 19.7 h. Maximum weight capacity 49 pounds. Top reviews from the United States. This versus Fold & Go variety. My parents purchased the Fold & Go model tricycle for their house and we got this trike for our house. There is a difference. This bike is larger, so it will last our kids a little longer. Our 2-year-old struggles to reach the pedals on this one though. She's average for height for her age. She can just reach them but doesn't have any extra leg to pedal forward. I'd say purchase this one if you want one to last longer growth-wise, but opt for the folding trike by Radio Flyer for an average or small 2-year-old to be able to ride and enjoy immediately. I know this will be great once she grows a few more inches.